Welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my haul from Walmart the other day. Very excited. This is great glue. I can use it for craft projects as well as this one can also be used with bookbinding. I saw these. They're colored glue sticks. So I often, when I make my frames, I use regular white glue or clear glue and then I paint them, but I don't think it's going to be cost effective, but I thought I'd give them a try anyways. Since I'm doing a lot more journaling these days, I got a bunch of stickers. I thought these were so cute. I love the oranges and the greens. Yeah, and oh, these dogs were just too darn cute. This looks like our pup right here, Bailey. And then they had these. I thought these would be fun to include in someone's journal or one of my journaling pages. It's scratch art. So they had 3 different ones. So I just picked up all 3. So this is just thought it'd be a fun little project to put in a junk journal because you put interactive pages in too. So yeah, so there is my haul from Walmart.